Learn how to use estimates in COR. You will be able to create and edit budgets and associate them with clients. This functionality is exclusive for users with access to quotes. Create a new budget. Within the Estimates panel, create a new budget by clicking on the button. You must complete 4 steps. In the first step, insert a name, revision number, date of creation and validity period, and to which client it belongs. Remember that name and client are mandatory fields. You will automatically get a budget code. You can also assign brands and products. Click on Next. The second step is optional. You can set a job number, associate your budget to a task by inserting its ID. Set the currency. You will be able to choose a different one from the base currency set in COR. Choose the currency you need and apply the exchange amount and write a description. Write a headline in the description field. This info is established by default in your account's general settings. You have the possibility to save as a draft, return to the budget list, or continue to the next step. Jobs. In this module, you'll be able to add a new internal service or select a previously created one. When selecting a new one, a module will open where you will complete name and the following fields. In Sale Value, you can set the service price manually or automatically by activating the rate card. Choose the roles that will be involved in this service and adjust the estimated work hours. You will get the total price calculated by COR. Still, you will be able to modify it manually as well if you wish. By selecting a previously created internal service, you will be able to customize quantities, unit cost, and the total amount that contemplates the pre-established tax and rate. Click on Confirm to charge the service to the budget. It is necessary to save the changes executed in each internal service. Once we have added these internal services, we will be able to visualize a box with items such as subtotal, tax, rate if they apply, and total expressed on the currency selected. During the last step, you'll get default observations preset in the general account settings. You can edit the creator's signature and roles. If you wish, you can export the budget in PDF format. Click on the Finish button. To access the Edit section of a created budget, click on it and modify any of its steps. If you wish, you can export it in PDF format.